Hi, my name's Ben. One of my jobs as an interview coach is to help people improve their language in small but significant ways. Here's a phrase that so many people use that I love to pick up on and coach people to take the opportunity to create more impact. I had to. In my last role, I had to handle urgent information requests from our branch manager. In my last role, I had to deliver a project with a challenging deadline. So you had to do it. Was someone forcing you? Would you rather have been doing something else? It might sound pedantic, but there is an opportunity here to show some of the core values and behaviors that make you a top candidate. Proactivity, ownership, achieving results. So instead of, in my last role, I had to deliver a project with a challenging deadline, what about, in my last role, I successfully delivered a project with a challenging deadline? Instead of, I had to deal with urgent information requests, how about, I took ownership of urgent information requests? Or, I was accountable for all urgent information requests. So, simple takeaway, whenever you hear yourself saying, I had to, there's always a better phrase to use. This is one small example of a subtle language shift which helps to shape and strengthen the perception of you as a potential employee. Eliminating passive and soft language from your answers elevates your impact, and small corrections like this all add up to achieve big results. I hope you like this tip, and good luck in your next interview.